Coming straight out of the rivers and lakes, another P-Load production. Everybody, welcome back to the channel. And I got another Kick tutorial. Well, maybe a tutorial. I want to showcase another tool I made. It was a kind of a request. It seemed like a fun challenge, so I thought I'd give it a try, and it came out pretty nice. I won't spend too much time on it, so I'll try to be fast and explain what it is. So I call this Be Right Back Clip Vote. It's a Be Right Back scene that displays 3 clips from your channel, and your viewers can vote on which clip to watch through the chat by voting for number 1, number 2, or number 3. Typing 1, 2, or 3 in the chat to vote for the clip that they want during a certain amount of time. And when the time runs out, the winning clip expands and plays. After the clip finishes, it'll go back to the voting. It'll grab 3 new clips, and they can be voted on in chat again by typing 1, 2, or 3. And again, the winning clip will expand and play. That loop will continue until you leave the Be Right Back scene in OBS. If nobody votes, then the winner is randomly picked. So let me actually show you how it works, and we'll get right into it. All right, let me bring up OBS. As you know, this is OBS and Streamer.bot, right? So as in my other tutorials, I got the fake game screen set up in main. What you're going to do in OBS is create a scene called BRB Clip Vote. Let's see. Be Right Back Clip Vote. And when you switch to this scene, wait, let me go back. Let me go back and bring up my Kick page. So my Kick page, you can see still only 43 subscribers. So if you want to do a brother a favor, go ahead and follow and subscribe on my Kick channel, Blueface Beast, Yangzi, or Yangzi the Blueface Beast. So what's going to happen is, let me minimize that. When you switch over to your Be Right Back Clip Vote scene, the browser is going to load, and then it's going to load 3 clips from your channel. I'm using Sigma the Majestic because he has the most clips. And once all the clips load, go over here into chat. Choose the one you want to vote for. So I'm going to vote for number 2. So let's put 2. And as you can see, any VIP and subbed up members votes will count as 2. So it's a weighted vote. And when the time runs out, the clip will expand and play.
He would have waited just a little bit longer. He would have saw the right side open.
And then when it's finished, it'll go back to the voting scene again. I won't play the whole thing. And when you go back to your main game, the whole thing resets all over again. And it'll pull up 3 different random clips from your channel. And once again, the voting process can start. And that's pretty much all there is for that. So now let's go in and look at the actual Streamer.bot actions. There are quite a few, but don't worry. I'm going to provide the overlay. I'm going to provide these actions so that you can import directly into Streamer.bot. The only thing you need to be careful of is you need to have the Kick.bot plugin for Streamer.bot. So go ahead and make sure you have that. Everything else totally fine. So you're gonna import 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 actions. But don't worry about it. That's all you have to do is import them, right? The only things you need to be careful of is weighted vote. Subscribers and VIPs count as 2 votes. You can change that here in the actual code if you want to. You can change this code here. Pretty simple. What else? You need to also, I made comments in green on things that you need to change, like how they change the time. Right now it's set at 30 seconds. It can be changed to 45 or whatever you want. Here, you're gonna have to change your channel name. So do that. Let's see. This is also designed to work offline with clips on your computer. And if you do that, you're gonna have to change your clip folder location. Here, set the timer again. Also here, you have to set the timer. Kind of sucks I made it 3 places to be changed. I could have made it into a variable, but I was getting tired. Everything else is pretty much the same. We are not picking local clips, so you can go ahead and disable this one, as this is the one we're running. But if you're doing local clips, disable the Kick one and enable this one. Just right click and here, enabled. And that's it for that. And as I said, I'll provide all the files you need, which are these. We have an installation guide, so you can read through that to figure out how to set it up. The actual HTML file you need. Be sure to look at the actual code. There are some changes you might have to make. Let's take a quick glance at it, and I'll show you what you have to change. And yes, I still use Dreamweaver. So scroll all the way down to the bottom here. These are the things you can set. You can also change what messages are displayed. You can change the vote bar, how the vote bar works. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Next, we have, this is the import action for Streamer.bot. Here's the image that we're using in our OBS scene. My computer is so slow. Let's see. That's the actual image right there. You can use your own or modify this one. And there's a start BRB. There's a start Be Right Back Clip Server.bot. You need to run this if you are going to use local clips, because Streamer.bot cannot talk to the browser in OBS. directly. It has to go through this little clip server. So go ahead and run that. And that's it. I will once again provide everything you need to get it working. And if you like it, hit the like and subscribe, share it with your friends, test it out, try it, use it, and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Cheers.